Hey there! Looking to bid farewell to your Mobile Legends account on your iPhone? Well, you're in luck, because I've got some step-by-step guide right here for you. Let's get started. First things first, fire up Mobile Legends on your device. Then, locate and tap on your profile icon. After that, switch over to the Account tab. Now, on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll spot the Account Center button. Go ahead and give it a tap. Then, find and tap on Cancel Account. Next up, your browser will pop open. Simply scroll down, check the box, and tap on Next. Repeat the same process for the following page. Next, tap on the account you're ready to bid adieu to. For instance, if it's your Milton account you're deleting, tap on it. Following that, input your login details, security code, and hit the login button. Then, tap on the send button. Once that's done, keep an eye on your email linked to your account. You will receive a code there. Simply type it into the provided box and hit login. Then, select the account you wish to delete and tap on Next. Now, tick all the boxes and hit Confirm to proceed with the deletion. And voila! Your account is now queued up for deletion. It will take 30 days for your account to be fully deleted. But if you change your mind, just tap Give Up to halt the process. And that's a wrap. That's how you say goodbye to your Mobile Legends account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you soon. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time,